How to use and build credit. Credit can be a powerful tool, but it needs to be used responsibly. Remember, using credit means borrowing money and you'll need to pay it back, usually with interest. Here's where Scott Credit Union comes in. They offer a variety of loan options with competitive rates so you can borrow wisely. There are also different types of credit. First is revolving credit, like credit cards, which you can borrow and repay over time. Scott Credit Union offers credit cards with low interest rates, which is a great way to build credit history, especially if you're new to the game. Another type of credit is installment credit, like car loans. Installment credit allows you to borrow a set amount and repay it in fixed monthly payments. Now, let's talk about the 3 golden rules for building good credit. 1. Pay your bills on time every time. Late payments are a major credit score killer. Scott Credit Union offers free online bill pay and auto payments to make sure you never miss a payment. 2. Don't max out your credit cards. Experts recommend not using more than 30% of your credit limit. 3. Don't borrow more than you can afford to repay. This seems obvious, but it's easy to get caught up in the buy now, pay later mentality. Building good credit takes time and discipline, but it's worth it. Good credit can save you money on loans and help you achieve your financial dreams. Hope this helps, and check out our other videos for more tips.